Hey guys, BrokeWizard59 here, and today I'm coming at you with a LEGO tutorial video. And as you can see in front of you, we do have my custom Dunkin' Donuts Apple store, and we got my custom vending machine, and a couple of my custom LEGO minifig scaled LEGO sets. And the reason why they're here in front of you, the thing they all share in common is they all have custom-made decals. To the menu, the sign, same thing with the Coca-Cola machine, and the Lego sets here. And today I will be doing a tutorial on how to make these decals. And they are very easy to make and not at all expensive. And you can do that with materials in your house. Alright, so materials you're going to need to make these decals. First off, you're going to need two types of tape. Your transparent clear tape and double-sided tape. And it doesn't matter which brand it's from. And if you do not have double-sided tape, do not worry. I will show you another way that you can make it just using the trans clear tape. And then you're going to need a printer and paper for the printer. You're also going to need a computer that can search the internet, and most likely you should all have one, or else how else would you be watching this video. And so you're going to need Microsoft Word, or any software, any like typing office software. And that's basically it. So now let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so first off you want to find your image or whatever it is that you want to make a decal of. And so this does work for posters, as you can see, signs, and a lot of different city decals. Plus it actually works for Star Wars in terms of like the Clone Trooper pauldrons and like holsters. And it works for a lot. It works a lot for torso decaling. And it basically works for almost anything. Any type of decal, actually. So once you have taken your image, what you want to do is copy and paste it onto a Word document. And then once you do that, you want to basically set it to scale. And basically, here in the bottom right corner, the view is set to 148%. So there is a small like bar there. So mine's is set to 148%, and that's the relative size of an actual paper. So now what you can do is basically take your Lego piece and just compare it to the decal, see if it's perfect size. So that's pretty nice. And once you have got your decal to the correct size, print it out. But print it out once, so you can, if you're trying to make multiple of these like torso decals for like World War II soldiers and you want to make like multiple, what you want to do is just print out one first just to make sure it is the correct size. And I mean, sometimes you might just have to play around with it to get it to the right size. And then once you're done, you can print it out. Alright, so once you've printed out your decal and it is correctly set to scale, cut it out as shown here with my poster decal. Then what you want to do is take your clear tape and cut a strip out, and then basically place it over the poster decal. And if you have a larger decal, you might need two strips, and post the second one right underneath the first. And then just cut the extra strips of tape out. And the reason why we put the tape on top is because it'll help the decals last longer. And it gives a bit of a nice professional look with that gleam and all. So once you have put the tape on the front, turn it around, and that's where you take your double-sided tape and basically, there you go, put it on the sides, and this is basically gonna make it into a sticker, and do the same for the bottom, and then just cut the strips out. Oops, take that out. You can cut the excess out on either side, like so, and take your time so all of the tape is gone from the sides. So this basically makes it into a sticker. And now you can take whichever Lego piece that you want the sticker to go on and just paste it on. So I'll take this piece here and you can just stick it on wherever you need it to go. And basically just press it down, and that's basically your decal. It looks really nice at the end. And now for the alternative way to make the decal if you do not have the double-sided tape. Alright, so if you do not have the double-sided tape, again, you first of all put the tape on the front side, like before, until it's completely covered. And then basically, it's stuck sometimes, but just again cut off, cut off the excess. And be careful not to cut the paper. And yeah, alright. So once you have cut it out, again turn it over. And this time what we want to do with the clear tape, take a piece, doesn't have to be relatively large, and basically make it into a cylinder. So take one side, it's a little hard to see, fold it like so, take the other one and put it on top. So it's basically a cylinder. And now you want to stretch it out as much as possible, and keeping it stretched out, you want to paste it on the decal. And the reason why you want to stretch it out is so it'll become as flat as possible, and therefore when you put the decal, you won't be able to like see this, like you can see the hole through it. So you want to stretch it out as much as possible so you do not see that hole, and it will look more like a sticker. And then again, you can do the same thing and paste it on your Lego piece. So there is my tutorial on how to make custom decals. So as you can see, it isn't that hard. It's pretty easy to make, and it is a lot cheaper than buying like fancy decal paper or like going online to find like decals. Especially because I make like the fast food restaurants and like the Apple Store and all. They don't have decals. Lego hasn't made decals of any of that. And I mean, you don't really find stickers for those either. So anyways, I would like to thank everyone for watching this tutorial video. This has been BrickWizard59, and see you next time. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.